Hello everybody, I am back. I hope you're okay today. Today's topic is Darwin's theory of evolution. Darwin had a theory of evolution that is a theory that states that every living organism can change up into being a diverse community of organisms, changing adaptations and habits and every type of characteristic to be whatever it wants in the habitat it covers. So that's I will give you some examples of evolution. So one example of evolution is that one example of evolution is fish creating legs and walking on land, or not walking on land, probably just waddling on land for some few short trips before their gills will burn out of oxygen. So they will die if they don't go back into the ocean, whatever. So evolution has a high rate of point. When extinctions happen, evolution is common, because in mass extinctions, there have been many mass extinctions. In those many mass extinctions, some type of giant natural disaster, the one that ended the dinosaurs. A meteor hit the earth and caused a cloud to join. So no leaves or any veggies, leaves, any other plants, none of them. So the plant-eating dinosaurs died. Then the carnivores died. But still, some mammals and some feather-covered dinosaurs survived, and they turned into birds or turned into all diversity of mammals instead of reptilians or reptiles. So then there are other so after that extinction, there were many 97% of the animals were extinct, and there were few animals alive to do something. So those few animals adapted into every point of the habitat, every adaptation, everything that is covered around the habitat. And there is a lots of habitat to live in around the world. So, and another thing about evolution is evolution could change the total appearance of the thing. So reptiles, some types of reptiles turned into mouse-like mammal creatures just because of evolution. So it could change the characteristic and the total look of the thing. There is another specific things. So there are more characteristic things changing over time. Mass extinctions cause creations of new beings. So the extinction of the dinosaurs is the reason why we are existing now. If the extinction of the dinosaurs didn't come, we wouldn't be existing now. And that should be a good thing, because we don't want to be extinct. But if we are going to be extinct, it will take a long time. I guess about some million years, some other million years. Yeah, like that. So evolution, changing. Yeah. Evolution commonly happens after extinctions, as I told you. So there are lots of spaces for other animals to fill in. And there is another thing about evolution. Is isolating. In Madagascar, so there are special types of animals there, because part of Africa just split off and forming Madagascar. There are special types of animals that don't exist anywhere else in the world, like probably lemurs and the tenrecs, and other thing that is like a leopard or a cat, or you might think a lion without a mane, but is not any of that. It's a special species, so it's only in Madagascar too. So isolation also creates evolution. Like the pygmy-nosed mammoth. It was a mammoth that was isolated across a giant island, and it turned from big mammoth into small elephant-like creature. And also there is a coincidence. Some isolated animals, if small animals turn isolated, they will turn bigger than their normal animals. And big animals get isolated will turn into smaller animals. This is confusing, but this is supposed to be an evolutionary choice. Probably evolutionary choice, I don't know. Yeah, it's a natural selection, yeah, those things, everything caused the diversity of animals from a single-celled organism to a complicated human or dolphin, ape, any type of smart animal, yeah. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and goodbye.